Today, we'll build a simple expense tracker dashboard using Streamlit. In this project, you'll enter your monthly income, add your expenses like food, travel, shopping, and electricity bills, and the app will automatically calculate your total expenses and remaining balance. By the end of this video, you'll have your own working expense tracker dashboard. Let's get started. Let's write code. Run the application. Now we have the heading of our dashboard.
Let's ask the user to enter their monthly income. Run the application. Try entering different income values. Now, change the label. Run it again. Enter your salary here. Now, let's add some expenses. Run the application. Enter different values. Now, let's calculate the total. Display it. Run the application. Now change any value, and the total updates automatically. Now, let's calculate the remaining balance. Run the application. Now, change different values and watch the balance update instantly. Now, set the condition if balance is 0 or expense higher than your income. Now, test all 3 situations. Now, let's combine everything we will learn. Run the application. Now, see, we will create an expense tracker dashboard. If you need source code, click GitHub link in description.